Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a Spotify account. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Spotify application. Now tap Sign in for free. Now enter your email address. Then tap Next. Now create and enter a password. Once you're done, tap Next. Now enter your birth date. Then tap Next. Then enter your gender, then tap Next. Then tap your name here. You can then tap this checkmark, and the rest, you can decide to tap the checkmark or not. Then tap Create Account at the bottom. Now you can decide if you want to turn your notification for Spotify or tap Not Now. Then choose 3 artists that you like. Then tap Start Listening. And that's it. You've already created an account. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.